Hello friends, today's topic is about myoglobin urea. So myoglobin, that is one of the important protein which is present in skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. Now further, what is myoglobin urea and which particular condition that lead to the myoglobin urea, that we will look. So severe crush injury, that is causing the release of myoglobin from the damaged muscle. So whenever there is a crush injury or the fracture, that will lead to the damage of the skeletal muscle, and that can lead to the release of the myoglobin from that muscle. And being a low molecular weight protein, that will be easily filtered from the glomerulus and that will be appear in the urine, and that is called as simply myoglobin urea. So when it is present in the urine color will become dark red, and that is also indicator of the myoglobin urea. Further, most important significance of myoglobin, that is myoglobin is released from the myocardium or the cardiac muscle during the myocardial infarction. So in myocardial infarction, this myoglobin will be raised just after 1 hour of the myocardial infarction, and that is good significance, or it is important biomarker as compared to the CKMB and TROPI, because it is rising just after 1 hour. It is comparatively quite earlier than the CKMB and TROPI. But important thing is that is myoglobin is not very specific for the MI, because it is also increase in some other condition also. So you have to rule out other condition also. But its negative value, that is more specific for the to rule out this myocardial infarction. Further, you have to remember Oxford disease, which is related to the myocardial particular mitochondria. So Oxford disease, that is oxidative phosphorylation related disease, particularly related to the mitochondria, like Leber's hereditary neuropathy, that is also called a LHON, as well as myoclonic epilepsy, red fiber disease, MERRF. And in both the condition, that myopathy is observed, and in that also myoglobin urea is seen. So you have to remember crush injury, myocardial infarction, as well as Oxford disease, that can lead to the myoglobin urea. Here a structure of myoglobin is seen. So that particular structure, it is monomeric and predominantly alpha helical structure is observed, and its molecular weight is just 17,500 Dalton, and that being a low molecular weight, whenever it is present in the blood, that will be appear in the urine, and that is called a myoglobin urea.